Welcome back to another day in Christine's Jamaican living video. Listen guys, I am back in the kitchen and today we are doing stewed pork. But before we get started guys, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as I have more wonderful videos available. Go ahead and do so because you are missing out. And for all who has subscribed, welcome one and all. This is all the ingredients that I need for my dish today. Oil, soy sauce, black pepper, allspice seasoning, Maggi all-purpose, garlic powder. I am using my Maggi chicken flavor. Carrots, onion, tomato, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper of your choice. Of course, your meat. Here I have my meat is already seasoned. I use the lean pork. So this doesn't have any bones in it, and I cut it up in medium to small pieces. Of course, you know you're gonna wash your meat properly. So I did that with my vinegar. So here I have all my powder seasoning. You know I have my measurements in the description box below. So I always use half of my seasoning, powder seasoning, and I leave the other half for during the cooking process. Also, my soy sauce is already marinating into my meat right here. It smells so good, and I did put 1 peg of garlic. And you know you always want to have your meat seasoned and soak in really good. So I had it sitting for a couple of hours well. Usually I tell you to do it from overnight, which is the best, but I didn't do it from overnight. I had it sitting for a couple of hours, you know, around 3-4 hours well. So I know my thing is well seasoned and ready. So right about now, I'm gonna go wash my hands and we're gonna go cook. My pot is hot and ready, so let's go cook. At this point, you want to add your oil. Then your meat. So you can do a little at a time. You don't have to throw the whole thing in there all at once. And your stove should be on high heat. So you want it to get that nice little color. You see how it's getting that little color? So you keep stirring it. You can add more meat. So you add in some more pork. Okay, after 14 minutes of the lid not being on, and it's just the oil and the meat in the pot, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grate a piece of ginger. This was in the refrigerator. So I'm just gonna grate a little piece of ginger in there. Not much. Just like so. All my vegetables already washed and chopped. So you know, you see your onion, your tomato, your scallion, the pepper, thyme, and my carrots right here. So I'm gonna put some of this vegetable inside there. My pepper whole. Give it stir. Add 1 cup of water to your bowl that you had your meat in. Then you add it to the pot. So I'm gonna add another cup of water, so that would be 2 cups of water I'm gonna be adding in there right now. All right, so looking in the pot, I'm looking and I'm saying, okay, I am ready to add more soy sauce. Because you see how your meat is looking a little bit whitish. All right, so I'm just gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna go get some soy sauce and we will be right back. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. After 15 minutes, I'm ready to add the rest of my scallion, onion, tomato, thyme. So here we go. We're leaving the carrots for the last 10 minutes. And I'm gonna add the rest of my powder seasoning. Take a peep in the pot. Of course, at this point, you're gonna have to add some more water because now you see all your gravy is gone. So let's add the rest of my powder seasoning. And we're gonna add some more water. I did 2 more cups of water. Put my lid on for 15 more minutes. So in the last 10 minutes, that's when I'm gonna add my carrots. Add in the carrots. My stew pork ready. My dinner done. And look at it, guys. Isn't it wonderful? Look, so I have it serving with some white rice. I have some tomato going on the sides right there. And of course, you could see, well, in Jamaica, we say salad. And as you can see, my carrots with my stew pork. Yes, baby. So let me go in and me go dig in and let you guys know what is going on. So my little pieces of pork, right, so. Yes, baby. Guys, the bomb. Tender, well seasoned. Yes, this stew pork, yeah. Yes, it is the thing. Try it, guys. You try this dish and you tell me what you think. But guess what? Me ganya me dinner and me will catch you in my next video. So bye for now.